Good morning, second BC students. Yesterday, what did we discuss chap, um, discuss the topic, the new topic, new chapter, integrals. Integrals. This is a heavy weightage, 22 marks. All problems 6 marks, 5 marks, 3 marks, 2 marks, 1 marks. All are there in the integrals. This is very important. The total integration is depending on derivative formulas, integration formulas, and trigonometry formulas also. Trigonometry formulas. So yesterday, properties. What are the properties? Integral u plus v dx is equal to derivative of u plus v is equal to derivative of u plus derivative of v. Integration of u plus v is equal to integration of u plus integration of v. Integration of u minus v dx is equal to integration of u minus integration of v. Integration of k into u, derivative of k into u is equal to k into u dash u. Integration of k into u is equal to k into integral u dx. And some more formulas. What are the formulas? Integral x power n. What is the integral x power n formula? Integral x power n. Integral x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Plus c compulsory. Okay na? Integral x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Next, second one is integral 1 by x dx. Integral 1 by x dx is equal to log mod x plus c. So that is equal to integral e power x dx. Integral e power x is equal to e power x plus c. Next, integral a power x dx is equal to a power x by log a plus c. Integral sin x. Integral sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. Sixth one, integral cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. Seventh one, integral secant square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. Integral secant square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. So integral cosecant square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. Ninth one, integral secant x into tan x. Secant x into tan x dx is equal to secant x plus c. Integral cosecant x into cot x dx is equal to minus cosecant x plus c. Okay. Next, integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus c. Minus cos inverse x plus c. 12th one, integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse x plus c. This is the main formulas. So next, this is the main formula. So next, integral constant into u dx is equal to k into integral u dx or u బదులు f of x, k into f of x. Next, integral of u plus v dx is equal to integral u dx plus integral v dx. Next, u minus v dx is equal to integral u dx minus integral v dx. So integral of d by dx of f of x dx is equal to f of x plus c. Derivative integration cancel because integration is antiderivative. Okay. Next, some other formulas. So integral dx is equal to integral dx is equal to integral dx is what? 1 into dx. Integral 1 is nothing but x power 0. Any power 0 is equal to 1. X power 0, this is the formula of x power n, integral x power n. Here n is equal to what? 0. What is the formula of integral x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So that is equal to x power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1 plus c. That is equal to x plus c. Next, integral x dx, derivative of 1 0. Okay, derivative of x 1. Here integration of x is equal to integration of x power n dx. Any polynomial integration, any polynomial formula is converted into x power n formula. Apply the formula of x power n. Which formula? Mathematical polynomial formulas. Okay, polynomial formulas. So this is integral cosecant x and plus x is equal to 15. Okay. Next, integral x power 1. Integral x power 1 is equal to x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. X power 1 plus 1 is equal to x square by 2 plus c. Next, integral x power minus 10. Integral x power minus 10 dx. Positive value 0, positive value negative value. X power minus 10 value x power minus 10 plus 1 by minus 10 plus 1 plus c. X power minus 10 is equal to minus 9 plus minus 9 by plus c. Integral root x. Integral root x is equal to integral x power 1 by 2. Root x is nothing but 1 by 2. Integral x power n. What is n? 1 by 2. Formula x power n formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is equal to x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1 equal to 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. 1 by 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 plus c. This is only root x, x power minus 10, x power 1 by 2, x power minus 1 by 2, or any one. Integral, for example, 1 by root x. 1 by root x is equal to what? 1 by root x. Integral 1 by x power 1 by 2 dx. 1 by x power 1 by 2 is equal to what? X power minus 1 by 2 dx. 1 by a formula, which formula? A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. This is the real number formulas. X power minus 1 by 2. This is the x power n formula. What is the x power n formula? X power 1 by n plus 1 by 2 by n plus 1 by 2. So x power 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2 is equal to 2. So this is only depending on x power n formula models. So many models in x power n formula. Okay, next one. For example, integral 1 by x square dx. Integral 1 by x square dx is equal to integral x power minus 2 dx. 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. So 1 by x square is equal to x power minus 2. So x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c, that is equal to minus 1 by x plus c. After simplification, minus 1 by x. Okay, next. Okay, now. So derivative of d by dx of e power ax is equal to, what is derivative of e power ax? Derivative, so derivative of e power ax. Derivative of a power ax is equal to what? Derivative of e power ax, a into, or derivative of e power, this is the form of e power x. Derivative of e power x is equal to e power x into d by dx of ax, x derivative. So that is equal to a into e power ax, a into e power ax. This is derivative, integral. Integral e power ax dx is equal to, integral e power ax dx is equal to derivative of e power x. Same procedure, derivative, how to calculate derivative problems is similarly procedure. All procedure is same, maximum same procedure. U plus v, u minus v, sin inverse e power ax means derivative of e power ax means derivative of e power x. Integration of e power x means integration of e power x formula. Apply the integration of e power x formula. Integration of e power x is equal to e power x into derivative of ax in derivatives. So here integration by derivative of ax. So e power ax by a plus c. What is the difference between integral and differentiation? In differentiation or any function, first is the convert into the same formula, and derivative of x into derivative of x. So this is the derivative procedure. Integration procedure by derivative of x into derivative of x. Here by derivative of x. This is the main point. Only difference is only single difference. In the derivative into derivative of ax, here by derivative of ax. Okay. Next, integral e power ax plus b dx. What is the formula? Which formula? E power x. Integral e power x is equal to e power x. Next, by, not into. In derivative must be into derivative of x. Here by derivative of x, by d by dx of x, ax plus b plus c, that is equal to e power ax plus b by derivative of ax plus b. A constant to x derivative 1 plus b constant to 0. So by a plus c. Okay. We have to calculate the integration must be derivative. Compulsory derivative is perfect. Okay, integration without derivative there is no integration. Without derivative there is no integration. But without integration derivative is there. There is no relation. Okay. So we have to calculate derivative. Integration is not important, but in the integration derivative must be important. So derivative ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ integration ಬರಲ್ಲ. Integration between integration and derivatives. Okay, see once again, look at this. Some more examples. At the same way, integral sin ax dx. Integral sin ax dx. Integral, this is the formula of sin x. Integration of sin x. Integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x. Integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x. So into derivative of x. Into derivative of x means this is derivative procedure. In integration by d by dx of ax. So that is equal to minus 1 by a into cos ax. At the same way, integral sin 2x dx. Integral sin 2x dx. Integral sin x, so 2x is equal to minus cos 2x by 2 plus c directly, because by a is equal to what? Sin ax, comparing with sin ax. Here a is equal to what? 2 by 2. Direct answer. Integral tan bx plus c dx cos. Integral cos bx plus c. Integral of cos x is equal to sin x sin of bx plus c by d by dx of bx plus c. What is the derivative of bx plus c? Derivative of bx plus c is equal to b into derivative of x1 plus c constant term 0. So sin of bx plus c by b plus c compulsory. Okay, so many examples, sin, cos, so many examples. So integral root of ax plus b dx. So integral ax plus b whole power 1 by 2 dx. 1 by 2 ax plus b, this is the formula of x power n. Ax plus b whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 no. by d by dx of ax plus b. This is not forgetting. By dy by dx is forget, means there is no answer wrong. This is don't forget it. So ax plus b whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 means 2 by 3 by a plus c. This is so many examples. Integral, for example, integral tan square x. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1. ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? ಸೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಸೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸು ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಒಂದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಅನದರ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ 1 ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸು. Integral secant square x is equal to what? Tan x. Integral 1 x plus c. So same procedure is same as derivative procedure, but here in the derivative into dy by dx, in the derivative in the integration by dy by dx. So this is the difference. Okay, no? So on full page, both side on the full paper, long full paper, back front two, one paper is equal to 2 pages. 2 pages to full leave them, because in integration all formulas we can write on the page. Okay, so one full paper is leave them. So in yesterday 20 formulas are completed. 20 formulas. Okay, next, and the total formulas in the integration, I did write one white paper and send in on our WhatsApp. So see this paper. Next start the exercise. Okay. Exercise 7.1. First one. Find the antiderivative. Find the antiderivative or integral of the functions of the function by the method of inspection. By the method of inspection.